Okay, you see that there? Got that going on. And today is that day. Alright, so I'm going to start this. Hopefully do this really quick. Alright. There we go. I thought I'd do that second, but let's just say done. Start live. Starting live. You see that there? It's starting. Okay, now we're live. Yay. Okay. So this is the unboxing of this box here, which is a Sanyo M-7300K. And bear with me while I take this thing here and put it on the suction cup thing up here. Alright, hopefully I can clip it in pretty quickly. Alright, so as I'm still learning how to grab this. Come on now, just, yeah, in that. Okay, great. So now, and then just aim this. Alright, so that's showing pretty much the shelves and the floor and like that. So now I want to get this camera here. Okay, I'm going to get this camera here, which I had to wait for the battery to charge on it. So here is a Sanyo M-7300K, which I bought back in 2015, so that means it's about 3.5 years old. And here's another similar sized, and there's a similar sized, and I just got a bunch of Sanyos here and just a bunch of radios, and hopefully sold that today. I got some batteries, I got some cassettes, got cords, and I'm live. I'm live on YouTube via the cheapy phone, and here's the Samsung phone. Okay, got that? All right, that's the Motorola phone. All right, so let me put this back on camera now that I've waved everything around. Okay, everybody enjoys this. I've already preset this to be there. Got my scissors. Okay, this was shipped by UPS, so I actually got this 11 October 2015. Okay, so 11 October 2015, I got this, but I never opened it. Okay, I just want to show you like that. So you can see that it's never been opened. I'm not going to show you the address because I don't want nobody pausing it. Everything. So there it is. It's I mean, I've labeled it 7300K, and you know, anyway, so it's 18 by 12 by 6 box. All right, and it's kind of loose inside, so well, I just showed the darn thing. All right, hopefully not. Hopefully nobody can see that, but okay. So just going to get my scissors here and cut into that. Cut through this. There we go. Like I said, this is I've only seen one other person have like a 1-minute video on YouTube about it. So, and I want to have this, I want to open this and let y'all see it before I sell off this other radio, the 7790, which I have. So, here it is. It looks, well, okay, so let's get this out of the way. That, believe it or not, has survived really, really well. There's nothing in the box here. There's no power cord. Alright, so let me just hold this up to the camera, because he didn't show it in the video really well like I wanted to see. Okay, but so it looks like he didn't show these buttons here terribly well, but so there it is. Looks like that, looks like that. Okay, there is nothing on that end. And what's that on this end? That's a fine tuning for shortwave. Okay, so we got a fine tuning now for shortwave. Here is the the top. All right, looks like that. I know it's bad lighting, but what can I say? And on the back it has okay, on the back it has 2 microphone plug-ins right there, 3.5mm, 1/8 of an inch jack. Then we have 2 external speakers. And they're labeled 3 ohms to 8 ohms. So that's left and right speaker outputs. And then we have a beat cancel, 1 or 2. That's for the AM for recording and all that. On the front we have what is that? It says mic, but oh, okay. So it has a little symbol here for has a little symbol here for headphones. Okay, so there's a headphone jack, your volume, your tone, your balance, your standard buttons. It doesn't say Q or review, so it's just standard tape deck. You have your function, your FM mode, which is what? Stereo or mono, then tape off, FM, AM, and then you have a separate button for your shortwaves. So I guess you would have this in, well, I guess this doesn't matter what you have this in, because you would control your AM, FM here, and then somehow switch over to your other shortwave channels with that. So, and you can't see that, but okay, so there is, let's see, so how do you power this? Oh, it'll take an AC adapter. This is set for 120 volts. It's got a little screw thing right here. It does take 7C batteries, but I'm going to go ahead and get a power cord, which I have right here. Plug it in. You got tunes. So it's on AM, so here's the volume.
Para más detalles o en el 635 y la 8.
Very small numbers, and if the issue is divisive.
Delay. Good news on the Dallas that accident cleared up 35E southbound.
Your transportation is very important. You need to be
Of Galaxy.
your sales.
Symphony Chorus.
Star 102.1
Even help with sleep.
On G.
Friend for
Flight, we could take out the net.
Or
Okay, I've been looking in all the wrong places, but just so we know, here is the, let's see, here is the tape, norm, or the metal button, and we have an FM stereo and a power battery light. So that's power battery, and that's the FM stereo light. And so I'd have to go like that. And so this comes in stereo pretty well. And
games against Denver this season, coming by 8 and 10 points. Mike Peasley hosts Mavs Insider at 8 tonight. Chuck Cooperstein and Brad Davis call the game at 9:30 here on 103.3 FM ESPN. Halftime between Baylor and Iowa State at the Big 12 tournament. The site closed on a 12-3 run to lead 38-29 at the break. Virginia in a bit of trouble in the ACC.
Laura Kelly at Ideal Image. New star work. Treasure for professional.
okay, so we all know what a radio sounds like. Sounds pretty good.
Visit the Miss Saturday
Let's see here. So
to celebrate the festive with Venom Rides. For information, call 972.
there's that. So let me get a tape. All right. Let me get a tape. And get one of these. Alright, so that back down in there. Can you see that? Barely. Okay. So now let's see here. Let's hit rewind. Let's see here. If I put it on tape, nothing. Okay, so forward. Nothing. Nothing. Okay, so let's try. Oh. Well, that helped. The power cord simply fell out the back. That's why I've been moving this all about. Let's try it again. Well, that's actually working. Okay, great. So hit stop, eject. Let's that's working. And then this is play. Heads jump up. That's turning. So now I feel comfortable putting, well here, let's do it like this. Let me get a, this tape right here, which is a, so you can see it working maybe. Let's see. Alright, so this is what? Stop, eject, pause. This is that way. Okay. Which one's stop? That's stop. That's that way. And then this is play. This is my well recorded over tape, so that's like that. Okay. Sorry, I'm making this more for the YouTube people than I am for that. But let's see here. Yeah. Alright, so I have no idea what I was just playing, some country stuff. Alright, so now see if I can just move this camera over a bit. Well, that'll work. Just kind of felt. Oh gosh. Alright, so yeah, so now you can both see it. Okay, so alright, so here, let me kick this out. Kick that out and put in a what is this? Metallica. Side 1. Somewhere's along there. Alright. So hit play. Where's play? Okay, I don't want to sell that song, so let me drop this, or no, not drop it, but kick that out. I'm putting some Abacab. Alright, so Abacab and hit. Meanwhile, okay, while doing whatever and wherever, okay, so I've had fun. The radio works, and while I'm thinking about it, okay, the reason why I got this out is because I have a willing and ready buyer for this model here, so I want to see that. Yeah, this is I can't even see. I have to look in the mirror image of the YouTube thing. So the 7300 has a slightly bigger woofer, but then it's also a bigger. Well, no, it's okay. Oh, here, let me just hold it like that. So that one's smaller. This is bigger. Okay, but this one has line in and all that, whereas the other one does not. Okay, so I don't know. And if I hold it like what, like that, does that help? Or if I hold it like this, does that help? I don't know. Okay. Anyway, so anyway, how much time have I wasted on this? 13 minutes. Okay. I can. Let's see here. Let's try this. Well, I got batteries in this one. I haven't had a chance to put batteries in that one, but that's it. That's good. Hit play with no cassette in there. You're doing. Okay. You're firing on all cylinders. Okay. Drop this in. Hit that. Hit play. Alright. Well, I've had fun. Hopefully it didn't sell anything, but it stopped, eject. Okay. That's out of there. Alright. I've had fun. Okay. Yeah, if I set them down on the ground here and get the YouTube camera, which has got 14 minutes on it. Okay. Okay, great. So now, alright, so this down, this there. Alright, rotate this around so I can see. Oh, gosh. Alright, okay, so now, just get right down on the floor with it. Alright, so now, yeah. Alright, so there. Now I can see it better like that. So there's a good view. Alright. Move the camera back on the floor and look at the screen. Alright, so that one looks like that. That's 1448. Alright. Let me just leave this on the ground for a second and get the other famous radio that everybody cries about. Everybody wants one. Okay. And I'll just move this forward. So I can move that forward. And put this behind it. Okay. And then, alright, so now, I'm just setting this thing on the ground. So if I put it like that, alright, so I just move this out of the way. Move that like that maybe. Put this. Not very scientific, but so there's that one. So it's like that's the size of those, and this one's got a little bit bigger than that one. Okay, 1543. What else can I show you? Well, I've got a zillion, not a zillion, but I've got a zillion of these. I see here. This cuts out in a few seconds. So there's that, and we've got a bunch of the 77770s. I'll just end this. Good day, bye-bye. Hope you enjoyed. I'm also live on Facebook. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Gotta go. Bye-bye. Thanks for watching. Bye. Yeah.